stuff?
Something. So here's the deal. Did you see the picture I sent you? So we're gonna go over to this little warehouse thing.
You don't think you do it right there?
Yeah, but the warehouse is way better. Look, let me show you.
What up, man? Good, how are you? Good.
Look at the warehouse spot.
Oh, dang. Where's that at?
It's just around the corner. We figure get there, put the ramp on it, you know, roll it over, and then we'll just push it all the way up here.
All right.
All right, you want to follow us?
Yeah.
Right there. Go a little bit. Keep going, keep going. Alright, stop right there. Alright, put your marker over there. Alright, back up. You have like 8 inches. Alright, stop right there. Stop. Alright, perfect. I imagine on the grass would just slip and fall over. That's what I was saying. I was saying that might be sketchy, but no, actually that's pretty good. You want to just start unstrapping it? I'd say probably over here to the left. Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
I don't know how long you got for.
Dude, that was pretty cheap.
Really?
Yeah.
Cheap enough, huh?
Cheap enough, dude.
Did you see that raccoon over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was there the first time recording.
Thanks.
Built well, parts and labor
Exclusive.
deal. You guys got it.
Let me get this set up. Hold on.
Ready?
By the time I get this thing set up, you guys are gonna be done.
Ready?
Hold on. Well, whatever.
I think it'll just roll off without no gas. Alright, we can try it.
Straight off.
I didn't even help. You guys didn't even need my help.
Remind me the kickstand's up.
Careful, don't fall over.
Yeah, you guys better help me out. Wait, it's falling too far to the right. You guys need to help me out.
I'm gonna hold it up no matter what.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Hold up, let me get off. Oh yeah. Wait more to the left. There we go, dude. You got it.
Unload it.
Dude, put it on a level surface or something. It's not gonna be able to stand up. Perfect.
That's good.
not. It's not.
Alright, so now, you want to go up there
Oh
or
my
up that way?
god.
I'm going to go this way. Karl, get behind. Push from, you probably push from the seat. I'm going to be like pedaling with my feet. Got it?
Stealing this motorcycle.
There we go.
Alright.
Phase 2.
Phase 2. Alright. So now what? You got it. Yeah. Hold on. Just jump on it. Let's just go.
Hold on, let's take a little picture in this light real quick. Because you can do a U-turn. Oh, shoot.
Go, just
The brake stuck.
Huh?
The brake stuck.
Oh.
I pressed it down.
Brake fluid in there.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna back it up so you get a nice grip on this. When I push it down, they come back up.
Oh. He's pregnant.
Back, dude.
Alright, well, you guys ready or what?
Yeah, it's ready for Karl.
You gonna do it?
Oh, I almost got a great clip.
It's in here. Dude, get on it. Get on it. Ready?
Still in gear.
Ready?
Nice.
Ready to push
It wasn't all the way in neutral.
Yeah, it's dropped into gear on.
Yeah. Clunk, 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 clunk.
Should we just duck walk it all the way?
Yeah.
Let's see how fast.
I know. Let's see how fast we can get it. Make sure the brakes work.
No, don't press the foot brake. Dude, don't press the foot brake. It locks up.
Does the front brake work?
Yeah.
Dude, we can let go. He'll keep going.
Let's see. You ready? We're gonna let go.
You're doing it! You're doing it!
Dang, he's really doing it, guys. motorcycle housewarming gift. Yeah.
Dude, thank you.
Yeah.
Try them on, dude.
Yeah, dude. I don't know if I should bolt in. I don't know.
That's what it's due.
You guys got to adjust the timer on this to be more than like 6 seconds. Sportster chopper saga begins.
Day one.
I know. Sure. I'll take $20. I won't refuse. Those bars are $50 though. No, I'm just playing.
You should have brought the bars. No, the other ones. The big ones.
I did.
Brought the big ones?
I did.
Put them on, try it. What's up with this light?
Friendship is a transactional situation.
What the heck? Is the key in? There's no key.
Now, you don't want to think of it that way, but I'm sorry, it's just true. It's always true. Your friends are people for whom you provide a value, and they provide a value back.
On the horizon.
It's only a friendship if you both know what you're getting and you're both delivering it.
That light, turn the light back on. Huh?
For example, you might be valuable because you're funny.
Alright, they need a little pullback.
And people say, I love being around a funny
A little
person.
more. A little more. A little more. You could ride it from the back seat.
You might be valuable because you're an empath. And people say, man, when I have a problem, I sure like talking
Hold them
to
next
X.
to the bike so you can see the bars compared to a Sportster. Yeah,
You might be valuable because you're an organizer. You're the person who brings everybody together.
Alright, yeah.
But make sure you have a value. If you're not offering a thing of value, why would anybody be your friend? Seriously. Why would they be your friend?
Like a skateboard.
I think it's harder to balance on than I thought it would.
It's not because your inner you, your soul is so good. Forget about that. Nobody can see your soul. Nobody can see your inner thoughts. People can see what you do. So do something valuable for the people you would like to be friends with. People can see what you do. People can see what you do. So do something valuable.